Good morning. I'm on my way to work this morning, and I got an email that said that I needed to stop in right here and get to John Deere, because something we waited for a long time, and we've been saving up the funds for has finally arrived. And as you can see, I'm on the end of the building that's got all the yellow machines, not the green machines. That's because it's time to upgrade, folks. So without further delay, standing outside of Minnesota Equipment here in Isanti, Minnesota, amongst all the construction equipment, which is always fun to see, the 244 and the 184 and all those fun toys. Let's go find the machine that we're looking for, the 333P. She's kind of tucked away into the back here, but we'll find it as we walk down the row of beautiful construction equipment for farms. It is wet and rainy out. It is a cool day, but let's be honest, I'm quite excited to see it. Here it is, the 333P. That's just been dropped off late last night. It's just a sneak peek, as I said before, to what's coming on the place. It's got its GPS system, the smart on it. It's all set to Dozer. Look at that beast. The SG96A. Turning this thing into a mini dozer. This will be a learning curve for the farm. This will be a step-up tool for the farm. This will take us to the next level, folks. We'll go from grader and drag and TR3 to finally being able to blade on the farm. Look at that beast. Look at the knuckle on that thing. Again, that is the 96A, the SG, with the Dozer blade on it. As for the 333P, it is bigger than what we have, but not by a ton. Well, actually I should say by a ton of weight. It's got the camera system on it, which will be safer. It's obviously a little taller up in the cab. She's all boxed up and locked up right now, but I ain't worried about that. We'll get in it soon enough. There'll be more videos of that coming. It has the standard track system on it with the wide track. It does not have the rocking system on it, but that's okay. You don't want that when you got the Dozer on it anyways. Ooh, she'll never look that clean again. Look at that beast. I know, the annoying DEF system. Can't change the world right now. Wow, what an addition that's going to be to the farm. We're going to take that mile and a half of road, and in the next 2 years, you're going to see some massive improvements on that. There's going to be some trees that are going to get pushed around that are scrubbish. There's going to be some new trail work done. And all in the comforts of a cab. What a blessing for the farm. We'll be trading in the other skid steer, one of our kind of pull behind graders. We probably won't retire the drags because they're still convenient and easy to use, but I'm not even sure the TR3 will be needed, so it might be sold. We'll see. So this is the latest upgrade to the farm, folks. It's a purchase we've been waiting for a while. It's taken us almost 4 years to build up the funds to have something like this on the farm. It's going to be a sweet ride. Heated and cooled seats, everything we need on it. LED lighting package. Hopefully it works out really well. And the best part is it should be able to run all the other implement on the farm with ease. Follow along, folks. We're going to have more videos of this machine being put to work on the farm soon.